guys, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit portrait videos in iMovie on iPhone. So let's get to it. So the first thing is you open iMovie and then you click on create a movie. Then you select your clip. So in this case, it's going to be a vertical clip. So once you select your clip, now you can see that this clip is not full. So you click on the clip on the timeline, then that zoom comes up, then you zoom. So when you zoom, you save. So then you export. So when you're done with the export, you export. Then you go to your photos. That's where you have your photo. Then you just crop. So you crop it to the vertical portrait. So there you have it. You have a video.